Happy Friday. What a beautiful day to be alive, huh? Uh, yeah, it's a new day. And one of the things I like about waking up every day is a brand new opportunity to live, to discover, to learn, to ask new questions, find out new information, discover new things. That's what makes life exciting. And that's what makes being in urine therapy so exciting, because it's all so new every day. The new experiences that one will have every day, the new understandings and applications that you'll develop every day. It's a beautiful thing. And that's why it's really a healthy choice if you want to be among like-minded people pursuing, the same healing modality. Other pee drinkers. Let's face it, that we are a minority on this planet. Probably one of the smaller minorities. But it is growing, and what's important is to associate and learn from others. And so the groups are really vital in that. They help because people have lots and lots and lots of questions, tons of questions. And we're not all authorized to answer all the questions. I know I'm not. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a scientist. I am a person. I do drink my pee, and I do rub it in my body. And I clean my eyes and my ears and my hair. I haven't used shampoo now in, I don't know, a couple of months. I just clean my hair with my urine, and it just looks so greasy and dirty, doesn't it? But anyway, the thing is that there's tons of questions, and I certainly have had mine. And the beauty of having the association in the urine groups is that you can ask the questions, and generally there's people that will give you their version, of an answer. And some are certainly more qualified than others. My general approach is that I will answer any question I feel comfortable or confident about answering. But if I don't know the answer, I'm not going to answer. And if it has to get with too much technical, or other aspects, in its chemicals and, I don't know, the chemistry of it all, that's not my area at all. So I go ahead and refer people to check out some books, because that's how I've done most of all my learning, is through the books. I've learned about breatharianism and a better pursuit of fasting and all that through man's higher consciousness. I've learned about urine therapy from Dave Murphy and his Human Body book. I've learned from Martha Christie and her Your Own Perfect Medicine book, and Water of Life by John Armstrong, about fasting and drinking urine. And the one thing that I can find that's consistent is that if you treat your body, the diseases take care of themselves. Now, drinking pee treats the body. It's holistic. It's comprehensive. It goes in and it does its job. It doesn't have to be specific. You don't have to write on it, this is to cure cancer, or this is to cure diabetes, or this is to cure my arthritis. You don't have to write any of that down on the prescription. You just drink your pee. It's pretty amazing, really. And by doing it inside and out, see, this is what I choose. Now, this is just simply all choice. I mean, you have to do what's right for you. Learn all you can and do what's right for you. There is so many different ways that you can approach or apply But in my book, the simplest thing you do is drink your pee. Save your old urine as long as you can and rub it in your body. Do enemas. Drink it through your nose. Put it in your ears. Wash your eyes. Clean your hair. It works. It just simply works. And so most people are going to burden themselves with way too many questions sometimes. So, um, that's okay because it's important to have your questions answered. But sometimes, you can get a paralysis in the brain. It's a symptom of overthinking things. That instead of just trusting your instincts and doing something, you have to just overthink it. And some people are just like that. I'm not degrading that. I mean, I do a lot of thinking, but I also react from my instincts. That's how I've always rolled, and I just trust my instincts. So it doesn't matter what the outcome is because I made the decision. I took the risk. I take the choice, and I'll guarantee you the first time I drank my pee, I thought, wow, that's different, but there's so many times in my life that I've put things in my mouth that I just thought I would shudder and fall apart because of how it reacted in my mouth. So that's not a weird thing to have things in your mouth that just aren't appealing, but hey, people eat them and drink them anyway. So I just figure, what's the difference, and pee changes all day long. I mean, depending on how much, what you're eating, how much exercise, how much detox you're doing. All those things have an impact on how your pee will taste. It can go from almost a clear water looking to where it's just like, tastes like coconut water, to where it's just dark and dank and stanky and, oh, like that. But you know what? It still works. You can heal yourself just by drinking it. It's pretty amazing, and it works. That's one thing I do know. So I keep looking for the newest person. That is my goal. I don't want to be, some person that has all the answers, because I don't. It's not my job. I just want to help anybody who's getting started and just help them get past the stumbling blocks, the initiation, the first, because most people, all they really need is a gentle hand. They just need some loving kindness. They just need somebody that has got their back, because who they're going to ask? Their spouse, their mother, their teacher, their minister, their doctor. You know, you're going to get some pretty abstract reactions from people when you bring up pee therapy. It's just what's so. So, until you get your own boots wet, so to speak, and have walked the mile a bit, you're going to probably want to have some escorts, some help. And I'm happy to help you. I am. I am totally happy to help anybody who wants to understand this and get started and start healing. I'm willing to do that. So I invite you, I encourage you to step out of your comfort zone, because it's just required. This is not your everyday normal thing. This is above and beyond most everybody's imagination. But it is the truth. It does work. It is just an amazing elixir, a total healing agent, and it works. Just works. So anyway, I was having a little fun this morning. So I wrote a piece that's um, called "Have You Lost Your Mind?" Have you lost your mind? So many questions like, how do I heal? You're drinking your pee? Are you for real? Isn't pee waste? Have you lost your mind? Did you ask your doctor? What did he find? How can P help me? Are you really sure? Where did you learn this? Who said it's a cure? How do you drink it? Do you water it down? How does it work? What have you found? You rub it on your body? Doesn't it stink? Won't others smell it? What will they think? Should I ask my doctor? Why believe you? Why do I doubt this? What should I do? Well, do your own research. It's not up to me. But I am healing my body from drinking my pee. It's always about the pee. Don't you ever talk about anything else but pee? You know? I do. I actually do. But I think that pee is the remedy, that it is the cure. And I think that the more people that know it, understand it, and do it, the healthier and happier the planet will be. Well, not the planet, the plane. We're not on a globe, by the way. But that's another story to talk about. So in the meantime, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, marvelous day. Keep your peace together. And boom, you've just been loved. Bye now.